Hi, higher animals. Our universe is about 13.7 billion years old. It may be old from your perspective, but it is very young in its own perspective. The main known four components of universe are matter, energy, space, and time. We can divide we can divide time in the universe into two era. First one is radiation era. Second one is matter era. Radiation era is the time in universe where radiation dominated over matter. Radiation era is again for the divided into 8 epochs. The first epoch is Planck epoch. In this epoch there was no matter at all. There was not even gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. There was only mother for this four forces of universe. And that mother name is super force. But at the end of this epoch the super force got a baby and that baby name was gravity. Who is father then? Gravity got split from other three fundamental forces. This epoch is longest period in universe. That is from 0 to 10 to the power of minus 43 second. Simply to understand, if you cut 1 second into 10 to the power of 43 parts, then 1 part among 10 to the power of 43 parts was its time period, and this period was dominated by quantum gravity. Second epoch was Grand Unified epoch. This stage took place between 10 to the power of minus 43 to 10 power of minus 33 seconds. Energy in this epoch was equal to 10 power of 15 giga-electron-volt. This is corresponding to temperature of more than 10 power of 27 Kelvin, which means very cold. In this epoch physical characters such as mass, charge, flavor, or color charge were nonsense. Strong nuclear force separated from other fundamental forces. At this time some part of decay process violated the conservation of baryon number. Then what is baryon number? It is nothing but ratio of antimatter and matter, where matter won the match due to its higher number. Sorry antimatter, you may be a winner in other universe. The difference between matter and antimatter is they exchange their position of proton and electron, or they exchange position of charges. Now let's already welcome third epoch, the inflation epoch. This took place from 10 to the power of minus 33 to 10 to the power of minus 32 second of start of Big Bang. At this time universe started expanding exponentially. It expanded about 10 to the power of 26 times linearly. Or it increased its volume by 10 to the power of 78 times. It was very hot. Then comes fourth epoch, the electro-weak epoch. Took place from 10 to the power of minus 32 to 10 to the power of minus 12 seconds. At this time other two fundamental forces such as electromagnetic force and weak nuclear force left their mother. Space was filled with, along with coronavirus, mask, and sanitizer. Alone with Q, G, P. Q represent quark, G means gluon, and P means plasma. Plasma is a free color charge. These particles had energy to interact and produce exotic particles. The fifth epoch is the quark epoch. Started from 10 to the power of minus 12 to 10 to the power of minus 2 second. There was every ingredient in this epoch. But temperature was very very high, so it failed to form subatomic particle. The sixth epoch is hadron epoch. In this epoch the temperature decreased, universe cooled, and a cool thing happened. That is, quarks started to bind to form neutrons and protons. The seventh epoch is lepton epoch. This epoch was dominated by leptons. Leptons are elementary particles of half-integral spin, but didn't had strong interaction. There are two types of leptons. One is charged leptons, another one is neutral leptons. Charged leptons are called as electron-like leptons, and neutral leptons are called as neutrinos. One thing which is very important to know about leptons is not to know much. The last but not least epoch is nuclear epoch. From 10 to the power of minus 2 second to 10 to the power of 5 years. In this epoch electron got control of nucleus. Nucleus got control of electrons and led to the formation of atom. Now we are ending radiation era and inaugurating matter era. There are three main epoch in matter era. They are atomic epoch, galactic epoch, and stellar epoch. The first epoch was atomic epoch. From 10 to the power of 5 to 10 to the power of 8 years. The density was very much as compared to coming epoch. It was around 10 to the power of minus 16 to 10 to the power of minus 22 kilograms per meter cube. Temperature was very cold. It was about 16,000 Kelvin. At the beginning of this epoch, the radiation was still dominating over matter. But at the end of this epoch, the matter kicked and dominated against radiation. Next comes galactic epoch, took place between 10 to the power of 8 to 10 to the power of 9 years, or 100 million to 1 billion year. Density reduced to 10 to the power of minus 22 to 10 to the power of minus 25 kilograms per meter cube. Temperature was around 60 Kelvin. Now start the formation of heavenly bodies and structures. Hydrogen clouds was formed on space, and gravity took control to form very heaviest and celestial bodies called stars. Then they grouped together to form galaxy. Next comes stellar epoch. Took place from 10 to the power of 9 to 10 to the power of 10 years, or 1 billion to 10 billion years. Density was 10 to the power of minus 25 to 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms per meter cube. Temperature was 10 Kelvin. Galaxy merged and evolved. At the end, dark energy began to dominate. What is dark energy? This is a great opportunity to you all, to discover and become a great scientist. Only thing you should do is to imagine. And put lot of effort. Whoever will do this, they will get it. And the race begins now. And more importantly, I will be in the race. Let me give you discount by telling about dark energy epoch. Started from 10 billion years. Density is decreasing each day. Now the density is 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms per meter cube. Temperature is 3 Kelvin, and dark energy is dominating. Now, one thing you can do is. But if you can't do this, at least do this. Thanks, goodbye.